Hey there, TV enthusiasts. Is your LG LED TV playing sound perfectly, but showing no picture? You're not alone, and you've come to the right place. In today's guide, we're diving into how to fix LG LED TV has sound but no picture. We'll take you through effective troubleshooting steps to restore your TV's beautiful visuals and enhance your viewing experience. Let's turn that screen back on. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, let's ensure that all cables are properly connected to your TV and any attached devices like cable boxes or streaming devices. Loose HDMI or component cables can often be the culprit in no picture scenarios. Unplug each connection, inspect for damage, and plug them back in securely. Sometimes simply reseating the cables can restore the image to your screen. Step 2. Test different sources. It's essential to determine if the issue lies within the TV itself or a particular input source. Switch to another input, such as Blu-ray player or game console, to see if the picture returns. If switching sources brings back the image, the problem could be with the original source device or cable. Step 3. Perform a picture test. Many LG TVs feature a built-in picture test that helps identify display issues. To access this tool, use your remote to navigate to the Settings menu. Select Picture and then choose Picture Test. If the test displays an image, your TV's screen is functioning correctly, and the issue may reside outside the TV itself, possibly with external devices or connections. Step 4. Soft reset or power cycle your TV. Turning your TV off and back on again, also known as a soft reset, can resolve many temporary glitches. Simply unplug your TV from the power outlet, wait about 60 seconds, and plug it back in. Power the TV back on to determine if the picture has returned. This process helps clear minor system errors that could interfere with image display. Step 5. Adjust backlight settings. If your TV's backlight setting is too low, it can give the appearance of no picture. Head over to the Settings menu, select Picture, and check the backlight settings. Gradually increase the level to see if this resolves the visibility issue. Ensure the brightness and contrast settings are also appropriately adjusted for optimal display. Step 6. Consider a firmware update. Software bugs causing image disruptions might require a firmware update. To ensure your TV is running the latest version, access the Settings menu, go to All Settings, then select Support followed by Software Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Updated firmware can fix software-related display issues and improve overall functionality. Step 7. Consult LG support or arrange repair. If these steps haven't resolved your issue, it may be time to contact LG support for further assistance. Warranty or professional repair options might be necessary if there's a more severe internal hardware problem, such as a faulty LED panel or main board. Experiencing sound without picture on your LG LED TV can be frustrating, but taking these sequential steps can help you identify and potentially resolve the issue. From checking connections and resetting the TV to updating the software, these solutions aim to bring back the visuals you love. Always remember to prioritize safe handling of your electronics and don't hesitate to seek professional help if required. Enjoy your now perfectly functioning display and happy viewing.